Week 9, and we are drying. I harvested, 2 nights ago? And also took some colas a couple nights before that. Those are citrus haze. So, yeah, so they're hanging in the tent. They'll be in here for the next week or so, and then I'll be trimming next week. So there you go. Drying away. Did a little bit of a wet trim before I put them in here. Got rid of the fan leaves, but kept most of the sugar leaves. And they'll protect the buds as they're drying. We don't want them to dry too fast. So at the end of this week, like I said, I'll probably start trimming. And that's my least favorite part of doing this, but it's the necessary part. So yeah, pretty fun. I've got a oscillating fan pointed at the wall there, so the girls aren't getting direct wind; they're just getting airflow coming off the back wall. Because once again, we don't want to dry too fast. So I'll give you guys an update on these while I'm trimming them, and yeah, I'm gonna do an update of the next season for veg this week, which can't wait to show you. The first phase of training is done. I've done a couple different toppings on all those girls, so can't wait for you to see that. So anyway, stay tuned for next week when we start trimming.